Rotractor Ruvika Kalsekar, the Joint Professional Development Director for RID 314 2019-20. So I have been asked to highlight some effects of consuming harmful substances. I think the first and the most important one would be the impact that it has on your emotional, mental and physical well-being. Consuming any of these substances obviously deteriorates your health in all these spaces, and hence that's something that can be avoided. Also, these substances tend to give us a very short-term happiness. They make you feel good at the moment, but in the long run, they're really harmful for your body. And that's one more reason to avoid consuming any such substances. I think the third and a very important, but something that we often forget, a reason is that this consuming these substances is not only a problem for you as an individual, but it's also a problem for the society that you live in, for the people that you live with, and for their sake and to reduce their suffering in the long term. I think if you are addicted to any harmful substances, we must make it a point to take treatment and take whatever medication, go to rehab and do all of these things so that it is so that we can overcome these difficulties and get over our addiction and make the society a better place to live in. I would like to give a big shout out to Rotractor Vishakha, who asked me to be a part of this initiative by Rotaract Club of Birla College. I'm so thankful that you asked me, Vishakha. Thank you so much. Great initiative, guys.
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Asta from RC Birla. So today I am here to talk about something very important. Why we should not consume alcohol, why we should not consume any harmful substances. So consumption of alcohol has nowadays become a trend or a tradition. The one who follows the tradition is good or cool. The one who doesn't follow the tradition is an old school thinker. Everyone has their own problem, has their own reasons for the consumption of alcohol. Reasons and finding solutions to a problem all are secondary. But main primary reason here is to find inner peace. If you think consumption of alcohol is the reason of your inner peace, then it is not. It would be never the reason of finding inner peace in consumption of alcohol. The solution to your problem is not consumption of your alcohol. Every day is a new challenge. Everyone is facing some or the other thing in their life. But many of us are stuck in other things. But many of us have faced the problem without any addiction in our life. So if we can do, why can you not? You can also do that. So think about it. Why the problem has started? What was the reason that this problem has arrived? Short-term peace, you can find short-term peace by addiction of consumption or addiction, you can say, of any harmful substances. But believe me, it brings a biggest problem to your life. It brings biggest disaster to your life. So always remember, I repeat, always remember, problems are never equal to any consumptions of harmful substances. Problems are always equal to find solutions to your problem and find what was the reason of this problem, and always stay happy life.
Hi guys, I'm Rotractor Arya Gaude and I'm the Joint Club Serve Director for RID 3142, and I'm here because Rotaract Club of Birla College has come up with its initiative, a PR marketing initiative that is 9 Reasons Why. And now I'm here to talk about reasons why alcohol and drugs are a big no-no. So starting from, I think we all know the kind of effect that it can have on our body, how it's harmful, but we tend to ignore and somewhere neglect the adverse effects that it can have on our mind. It's psychologically proven that it interferes with our memory, it interferes with our learning, with our grasping power, and it tends, makes us lose our focus in ways. Second point that I'll come to is teenagers like me these days are very much drawn to influencers and actors and the lifestyle that they have, and we are very much drawn towards it in ways. And there's a term in psychology that's called modeling of behavior, okay, and we are very much drawn towards it. We very much get affected with, we are somewhere consumed with everything that is shown to us, and with the films that are made these days, and like movies like Kabir Singh. Yeah, so movies like Kabir Singh, we it's cool, it's cool to consume alcohol. It's somewhere it's like it's portrayed as if it's cool, and it's an expression of freedom and chill attitude, and we tend to get involved in all these things, but it's really 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 important for us to stay away from it. And yeah, drugs and alcohol are a big no-no. They can mess up with with you emotionally, physically, mentally, in a lot of ways. So big no-no. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Rudraksha Shivam Singh and I'm making this video to give you the reasons why addictive substances like alcohol or weed should not be consumed. Now the people will contradict me by saying that it has got advantages. Yes, I completely agree, it has advantages, but if you consume it in a particular limit. As I said earlier, they are addictive substances and people consume it way far more than the limit it should be consumed. The first reason why I think these substances should not be consumed is it makes you violent. If you consume it beyond a particular limit, your body as well as your mind doesn't stay in control, and more criminal thoughts or basically a person becomes violent and more is more prone to do criminal activity compared to a regular person. Secondly, everyone knows it damages your body parts. If you consume tobacco, it would damage your lungs, and if you consume alcohol more than a limit, it would damage your liver and intestine. So I think these substances should not be consumed, and even if you are consuming it, consume it in a particular limit. Thank you.